In front of me is iPad Pro 13 and today I would like to show you how you can use Keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and copy or cut any text. When you're ready, click on this icon at the top left corner of your keyboard to paste your text. If you want to change it to something else, you need to copy or cut another sentence in order for your text in Clipboard to change. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!